Hello everyone, it's great to be here on this beautiful beach. My name is Julia and I am a travel vlogger. As you can see, there is an endless expanse of sea and sand here, and it is simply breathtaking. The water is crystal clear and the sand is soft and inviting. One interesting thing about this beach is that it is a nesting ground for sea turtles. They come here to lay their eggs, and it's important that we take care of this environment so that they can continue to thrive. It's always amazing to witness the natural beauty of these creatures and how they are a part of the ecosystem of this beach. I hope you are enjoying this video as much as I am enjoying being here. If you do, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel vlogs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.